Beautiful one. The power of ginger and watermelon for your health benefit works really good. This combination works miracle into your life. 100%. You guys will love this at home. All you need to do, go to the shop, buy yourself some watermelon and some ginger, and this is what happened at home. It is amazing, especially this time of the year in summer. Anywhere else in this world, I'm telling you, there's a time in summer where it's just really hot, but I'm telling you, it has so much benefit and health. You can do your own research by typing on Google what's the benefits of watermelon and ginger at home. Blend it together and you see exactly what happened at home. All right, guys. Anyway, so I'm gonna give you a simple little recipe today, which I have it on my mind over the last few weeks now to make this drink, and I decide to share with you today. The power of watermelon and ginger at home. And I want to say the best time to drink this is early in the morning before breakfast, before you take your cereal, your tea, and all these things. Secret recipe. Look at this. And I'm going to be putting some melon inside of this. Very simple. I have about 5 slices of watermelon I have left back over, and I decided to do this today. Get a piece of a ginger and remove the skin of the ginger. Once you remove the skin, cut it up finely and put it straight inside of the blender like this. All right. How it works, you don't need no water or anything. You just need to blend it natural like this, cause it's watermelon. All right. Lovely, as you can see. That's the power of watermelon and ginger works together. All right, guys, nice and beautiful. So I just finished blending it. Here it is. Just gonna simply pour it out. The power of ginger and watermelon works miracle at home in the kitchen or at home with the family. All right, guys, this is very good for weight loss and detoxing your body. You see that? Look at that. And I'll tell you something, you don't need any water to make this at home. All right, simple recipe like this works really well. The power of watermelon and ginger works miracle for your health benefit. Give it a try, give it a go. The best time to drink this is early in the morning before breakfast. If you are going at night or in the day before lunch, you can have a glass of it. Enjoy the recipe, and please subscribe. Leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. All right, guys, and I will see you next time with more recipe. Bye-bye.